we will practice making sentences using the words from this word family boat today. Fine? Make any sort of sentence that you would like to make with the words. Yeah. Choose the word from the first line, and for both of you, or you can choose the word from the second line from the top, third line from the top, fourth line from the top. That is last but one for you.
I saw a boat far away in the river.
Sorry, I saw
Boat far away in the river.
a boat far away in the river.
I take an oath to improve my English.
I take an oath to improve my English.
There were too many goats gazing around near my house.
Grazing.
Road.
Road. Okay.
He want to make a road for our village.
He wants to make a road for
Our village.
our village. To our village. Yes, sir. Loan here.
I take loan from a Union Bank.
I take loan
From Union Bank.
from the Union Bank. The Union Bank.
Soap. This soap is very useful.
This soap is very useful. Okay, can you extend? Look, 3-4 वर्ड से सेंटेंस बना के मेरी काम ख़त्म करना है, ऐसा मत सोचिए. मॉड्यूल 1 ख़त्म हो चुका है एंड नाउ वी हैव टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट.
I have infection in my throat.
I have an infection in my throat. Now at least I want 10 words to be there in your sentences in this round. Now you choose any of the word that you want to. Make your sentence in your notebook.
There is a broad open area at the back of my home.
There is a broad open area at the
Back of my home.
back of my home.
Load का करें. She did not know the gun was loaded.
She did not know that the gun was loaded. Very good.
Roar. A roar of a tiger is like a thunder. It shakes.
Roar of a
Tiger is so loud that it's like a thunder.
okay.
Oath. First word.
Okay.
He gave me a oath about to save her life during hunting in the forest.
He took an oath. You know, that is
Yes.
better. Okay.
He took an oath about to save her life.
He took an oath to. About की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
To save her life during hunting in the forest.
To save her life during hunting.
In the forest.
Fine. Yeah, are you ready?
During the exam time, students have very much load on their studies.
During examination,
The students
have
students have
a lot of load
loads during examination.
to perform better in the exam.
Present time, high cost of gold in the market. In market.
Present time, high cost of gold in market. Okay. At now or at the present, now the price of gold is very high in the market. Now we will have a practice. We will have some practice on making sentences where the subject is dummy. Okay. As we say, it's raining. It's raining. वहाँ बारिश हो रहा है, नहीं बारिश हो रहा है. Okay. Now you will have to make 2 sentences each. This is a type of sentence where the subject, it or this or there stands for something that will come after in the sentence. For example, like this. There were many tigers in the forest. What were there? is not the question. Many tigers is what we are talking about, but in the beginning we use there. आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हो कि बहुत सारे शेर थे, ओके, बट इंग्लिश में बहुत सारे many शेर tigers थे were. Many tigers were. Sentence will be incomplete in English, right? Are you able to understand? Yes. That is why in English we have a different way of presenting or putting that idea across. We use there in the beginning as a subject, and whatever we are talking about as the subject will come after it. Okay. जैसे
There were so many birds on my roof today morning.
there were so many birds
On my roof
on my roof
today morning.
this morning.
This morning.
Okay. Now another thing, in this sort of sentence we use only be form. You remember that. क्योंकि अगर हम एक्शन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे इसी सेंटेंस को मेरे छत के ऊपर बहुत सारे पंछी थे, ओके, तो इसी को आप इंग्लिश में बताइए. You have to use there in the beginning naturally, but we'll just word by word we'll translate it. This morning on my roof many birds were. It will not make any sense in English, so you have to put there in the beginning to complete that sense. Is it difficult? It could be difficult, but if you channelize the way these things have, if you channelize your understanding, it will be easy. Okay. For example, if I want to say the sentence with the word I saw, then it won't be difficult. I don't have to start my sentence with there. I saw many birds on my roof this morning. That is easy. That is an action. Seeing is an action. In this, we are not saying that what happened or what I saw. I am just telling वहाँ थे, वहाँ है. ओके, ऐसे एग्जिस्टेंस के बारे में जब बात करते हैं तब डमी सब्जेक्ट्स बहुत यूज होते हैं. सो व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ इट, यू डोंट थिंक ऑफ एक्शन, यू थिंक ऑफ समथिंग दैट इज देयर. ओके, मेक अ सेंटेंस लाइक दिस.
There are 14 wildlife conservation sanctuaries developed in India.
Okay, there were 14 wildlife conservation sanctuaries
developed in India.
Developed in India. Fine. आप इसका हिंदी बता दीजिए.
वहाँ 14.
वही तो, वहाँ यूज नहीं होगा. वहाँ क्या है? डेवलप्ड इन इंडिया. इंडिया उस प्लेस के बारे में तो आपने बता दिया है.
इंडिया में 14 नई,
आपने न्यू वर्ड यूज नहीं किया था.
हाँ, 14
वाइल्ड लाइफ सैंचुरीज डेवलप किए गए थे.
There was not very cold in this winter.
It was not very cold this winter. It was not very cold this winter. Yeah, simply this winter wasn't very cold.
There are some people take lecture in the class. There are some people take lecture in the class.
मतलब हिंदी में बताइए.
कुछ लोग क्लास ले रहे हैं.
Okay. To give lectures in the class. Okay, और ये डमी सेंटेंस भी नहीं है. Okay, क्योंकि देर, आप एक जगह के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? ठीक है, हम हिंदी में बताते हैं, आप इंग्लिश में उसको बताइए. एक समस्या है, इसका इंग्लिश बनाइए आप. ओके, आवर प्रॉब्लम इज, मगर ऐसा तो बनेगा नहीं इंग्लिश में. सो हाउ डू यू हैव टू मेक इट? यस, देर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम. आप समझ में आ रही है आपको? यहाँ पे देर किसी जगह के बारे में नहीं, जगह के बारे में सोचना नहीं दे रही है, वो सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे बैठ रहा है, क्योंकि इंग्लिश में ऐसे सीधे कुछ चीज़ें हम समझा नहीं सकते हैं. ओके.
There is too many books in the library.
There are
Too many books in the library.
too many books in the library. Okay.
It is not possible for me to attend the class regularly as my home is very far away from IITK.
Okay, this is a पक्का मॉड्यूल 2 सेंटेंस. आप इसको हिंदी में बताइए.
मेरे लिए डेली क्लास अटेंड करना पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि मेरा घर IITK से बहुत दूर है.
ओके.
They tried to save the dog.
दे ट्राइड टू सेव द डॉग. यहाँ पे डमी सब्जेक्ट क्या है? इन्होंने डॉग कुत्ते को बचाने की कोशिश की. वही तो एक्शन के बारे में जब आप बताना चाहते हैं तब डमी सब्जेक्ट की यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है.
There is a conference on 14 March.
देयर इज़ ए कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन 30th March.
Time of
काफ़ी है.
2:30.
There is a confusion created.
Yes, there is a confusion created. Yeah, there was a confusion created.
There is a big problem related to my English.
There is a big problem
Related to my English.
related to my English in what sense? आप बोलना क्या चाहते हैं? हिंदी में बोलिए.
मेरी इंग्लिश के साथ बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है.
मेरी इंग्लिश के साथ बहुत बड़ा. इंग्लिश विथ माई इंग्लिश होता है तब. देयर इज ए प्रॉब्लम विथ माई इंग्लिश.
It is dangerous to play with knife.
It is dangerous to play with knife. It is dangerous to play with fire. It is dangerous to play with knife.
There was fighting. There was fighting in between the borders.
There was a fight.
There was a fight at the border.
There was a fight at the
border.
borders. There was a party last week. बस. Yeah. Say it.
It is quite difficult to travel by local trains in Mumbai.
Yes, it is quite difficult to travel by local trains in Mumbai. It is a terrible task to make sentences. It's not that difficult. गलत हो तो हो, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, anybody would like to make any more sentence using dummy subject? No, fine. Okay, now the task is to make sentence where be form is not going to be used. Be form of the verbs are, we have learnt it, right? Are, what are the be forms? Is, are, was, you don't remember, were, will be, am. Am is also a be form. Fine. Without using any of these forms, now you have to make a sentence. जैसे आप तक आपने जैसे ये है वो था ऐसे बात कर रहे थे, वो अब नहीं चलेगा. अब किसी और पैटर्न में आपको थिंक करना पड़ेगा.
I want to English very fast.
I want to
Learn English very fast.
I want to learn English very fast. Make a sentence where at least 10-12 words are there.
I waste money. I waste money for.
I waste money in buying many clothes. Observe this. I waste money in buying clothes. Buying is used not as a verb but to indicate the action of buying things. जैसे अभी reading a book. Reading पढ़ने के हिसाब से नहीं, रीड जो एक्शन है उसको कन्वे करने के लिए यूज़ किया जा रहा है, राइट?
And wandering monks have a greater opportunity to meet the more people.
I did not get it. Can you please repeat it?
Vending monks have the greater opportunity to meet more people.
Wandering monks. Okay, wandering. Wandering monks have
Known as the greater opportunity to meet more people.
लिख दीजिए एक बार प्लीज.
I like to sing a song along with my friends.
I like to sing a song. To sing. Here also, I like to sing a song. Here, sing is not used as verb. Again, you observe these things in your sentences. I like to sing a song
Along with my friends.
along with my friends. Have greater opportunities. मोर पीपल्स नहीं, पीपल बस यहाँ पे पीपल्स नहीं होगा.
I like to visit new places in weekend with my
I
family.
like to visit new places at weekends with my
Family and
family
friends.
and friends. Yeah.
He used me to get out from here during last civil war.
He
Used me to get out from here during last civil war.
to get out from here.
During last civil war.
During the last civil war, the civil war. Fine. Now we will have class work.